Here's a real easy workshop organization tip that I got from a friend of mine. He's a dipper and has lots of cans of chewing tobacco. So he went down to the store and bought some 4-inch PVC pipe, cut it into 2-inch sections, and then drilled it up onto his wall in his workshop. Then he took the tobacco containers, filled them up with nails and screws, washers, nuts, bolts, whatever, and uses that to organize. Then all he has to do is just look up and see the type of tool that he needs, grab that tin, go to his workbench, do his work, and then come back and just throw that back on there. Then he just wrote using a marker what type of screw or nail or nut or bolt is on the container. Now, personally, if it was me, I would probably hot glue a screw, a representative piece of hardware onto the PVC pipe because I'm more visual than trying to read and find stuff. So I hope that's useful. Thank you very much.